Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kibahayang hasam kasamla badang arpulais nam karta kilatep no ekamet kabasa jongka hakala sngi ublay hakasnong Lejadubi West Khasi Hills kani kasamla ya kabalatep kerteng kom katangsi ke sangma kalaklat hadian makalahap na kayeng kabahan Rio Mala na Guwahati hagajan mit jong kasing sajan na kalang ke FKJGP Aradonga area unit kala pentep baki bahayang hasam jong katika samla kisubajur baka khun jongki kala sya penyap dusmon kat kom gajing tep balayo lum laong baka samla tangsi kadang syu pendap ya kajing puli LLB ha Guwahati bat kala sa ka yeng wai bala tep kom ka Suban Siri apartment ha Guwahati naya kapor sau shiteng jan mi jong kasing sajan ketika samla kala khlat no hadian bakala hap na kajaka ka baka sa kabadan ha kamala ka bahan Rio kipulit kilakit no ya kamet jong ka samla syakawe ka hospital ha Guwahati bani ka postmortem bal hadian kata kila IT no shigi bahing hasam pan pendap ya ka badang sa menta kasni bahing hasam kila tep no ya kamet ka basa jong ka samla ha ulum jing tep ka balang Baptist ha Lejadubi President ke FKJGP Aradonga area unit uladawa na ka sarkar Assam bat katanat pulit bakin le da ka jing toket ka batikana halor ka jingyap jong ka samla ulong ba ki babun na ki bahing hasam jong ka samla kila suba jor bakala sya penyam na markata ula kentulang ya ka sarkar Meghalaya bakan shimkya halor ka ni ka jingja
We, the Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garo people, Aradonga area unit, we got an information on Sunday morning regarding that incident happened in the Guwahati Suban Siri apartment. One of our young sister led Thangchi Ke Sangma from Lejadubi, West Khasi Hills, Meghalaya. Regarding that incident that we got, that she has fell from the building in Guwahati. So regarding that, we from the FKJGP Aradonga area unit, we want to demand the government of Assam to the police department to do a proper investigation regarding that incident happened in Guwahati. So we demand justice to Thangchi Ke Sangma and to her family. And from our side, we strongly condemn if the incident that is not a suicide. And many of her relatives are suspected of a murder. So if the incident was a murder, so we strongly condemn those people who's involved on this act. So we strongly approach the government of Assam to do proper investigation, and we approach the government of Meghalaya too to look into that matter, that incident happened in Guwahati. That's all. Thank you.